Body polishing has been done for ages to moisturize and exfoliate your skin and has a ton of other benefits too. So whether for a bride-to-be, a special occasion, or just to pamper yourself, get ready to buff yourself to beautiful skin. Similar to exfoliating your face, body polishing is nothing but scrubbing your body with a mixture of ingredients that both hydrate and exfoliate your skin while also improving blood circulation, leaving it glowing, silky smooth, and baby soft. While the process can be done at a parlor, it's also easy and fun to do it yourself at home with one of these delicious smelling scrubs. Mix a quarter cup of almond oil, 2 tablespoons of milk, and finely ground coffee until you have a thick consistency. The almond oil and milk gently hydrates while the coffee regulates excess oil and reduces cellulite and stretch marks. Take a quarter cup of crushed strawberries, 2 to 3 tablespoons of shea butter, and sugar to make your body polish mixture. The strawberries and sugar will exfoliate while the shea butter is super moisturizing, so this is ideal for dry skin. Simply mix together olive oil and sea salt until it's the right consistency. The olive oil will nourish while the salt flakes exfoliate. This is great for normal skin, but be gentle or the salt can leave you with scratches. Mix together a quarter cup of mashed bananas, 2 tablespoons of honey, and enough brown sugar to make a thick paste. Brown sugar is extra gentle on your skin and combined with bananas and honey is great for sensitive or oily skin. Start by cleansing your body the way you normally would with your regular body wash to prep and clean your skin. Then use your favorite polish mixture and gently massage it all over your body thoroughly but without too much pressure. You can even use a pumice stone or a loofah on the rougher or harder to reach areas of your body. Rinse off the scrub and pat yourself dry with a soft towel. Even though the ingredients of the scrub are hydrating, the process causes your upper layer of skin to shed. So it's super important to follow up with a creamy lotion that deeply moisturizes your skin to make it soft and smooth. Moisturize your skin daily to ensure it stays healthy and hydrated. Polish your body from once a month up to once a week depending on how sensitive your skin is. But never more than once a week or your body will end up feeling raw and irritated. We hope this guide helps you with everything you need to know to safely scrub your skin to smoothness. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.